Hello everyone, it's your girl Tamik, and today I'd like to share with you a very simple recipe: rice and peas and barbecue baked chicken. Now if you're looking for something to add to your Christmas menu, this is perfect. I simply paired it with some fried cinnamon plantains, some raw vegetables with vinegar and sugar, and some julienne carrots with string beans. Please bear in mind, this is a blind recipe, but I'll guide you along the steps as best as I can. So basically what I have here is some ketchup, my favorite barbecue sauce, some brown sugar, and some vinegar. In that bowl is my favorite combination of seasonings such as garlic powder, paprika, meat seasoning, black peppers, etc. On the plate I have my Scotch bonnet peppers, scallion and thyme, onions, garlic, and ginger. Now once you've got everything seasoned and coated, go ahead and place the chicken evenly apart on a baking tray and place them in the oven. Now you're going to use similar ingredients to make a sauce on your stovetop. This is to coat the chicken now and then throughout the baking process so it gets maximum flavor and color. This is the end result I got when I was finished baking and coating my chicken several times. When it was time to make the rice and peas, I put some peas to pressure with some garlic inside. When it was finished pressuring, I added my coconut milk and my herbs and seasoning. So I used my favorite combination of seasonings, including some Scotch bonnet peppers, ginger, scallion, thyme, and a packet of coconut milk. My favorite kind of coconut milk is the one you have to husk yourself, grater it, and juice it. Thumbs up if that's your favorite kind of coconut milk. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope it benefited you in some way. And if you need further instructions, go ahead and check out the description below this video.